Hello student, my name is Abhishek Shukla and my USN is 1V20CS187. So guys, today's concept is WTA, web technology and its application. So what is the concept inside that is how to create a table in HTML, guys. So creating a table in HTML is very easy. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. I guess you all know this. If you are not knowing this, so please watch my previous video in which I have taught you the structure of HTML, different types of tags and all I have taught you there. So before that, I would like to ask you one question. What is table? If you know regarding table, you can comment in the comment section. If not, I'll teach you here. So table is nothing but we have to come in the end of the slide. See here, table is nothing but see, this is a table. This is how table looks like. Okay, so there's a heading here. Okay, these are the headings, and here there will be the content. For an example, a student name, student address, student phone number. So first one, second one, third one. For second student, same thing will be happening. Third student, same thing will be happening. Fourth student. So in this way we are going to create a table. So that is nothing but a content with a structured way set to be a table. Okay, so now to create this is very simple to create. Okay, if we want to create a table in HTML, we just need to have no, you need to know 2-3 tags. I guess you are aware of tags. Okay, so tag is nothing but I'll show you a tag. Okay, I will share tag. See, there are a table in the tag. Okay, the tag we are using here is table tag. Here you can see, and inside that row tag and the header tag. Okay, before that we not header tag, th tag and tr tag. Okay, this is row tag. Okay, this will create a row, this will create a header. Okay, this will create a header inside that, and this will create a data inside that. I'll teach very well regarding this. So a table in a HTML consists of table cell inside rows and columns. Very simple as usual. Any column or any table will have simply rows and columns. Very simple concept. So for any you can consider any table, there will be rows and there will be columns. So so you can see here table. So you have to start with the table tag. Okay, you have to give table, and as soon as you enter table, this starting tag and the ending tag will be started. And then once you create a table, there will be table row. Okay, table row means it will create a rows here. See, you can see rows. Okay, it will create a rows, and this h th and td. Okay, now th will whatever you write under th, it will be considered as a heading. Okay, for example, company. So here it will be company here. The second is contact, so contact will be here, cc. Okay, contacts. Third is country, so country will be here. Okay, country will be here, country will be here. You can understand, right? The country will be here. See, we have not given any sort of borders until. Okay, we have just created this no one, we have not created yet border. Once we if we want to create a borders, we have to go with certain other what do you say method, and then we have to do it. So once you do it with th, then you are gonna end your t row. Okay, to t row. Then once you are done with this first, here you can see this is the first one. So this is how it has been created. Okay, next tr, then second row will be created as soon as you do tr. And td is nothing but it will be the first value which will be inserted inside this first heading. Okay, td. See, there are three headings, so there are three values. If there was four heading, there would be in four value. If there would be in five headings, though they would be in like five values. Okay, now you can see this value. Okay, this value will be inserted here. Maria Andres will be inserted here. Country, okay, I'm sorry, contact, and the country she belongs to is Germany, so it will be inserted here. Alfred's will be her name, company name, and then Maria Andres is her name, and Germany is the country's name from which he belongs to, a nationality, I mean to say. Okay, so this will be the first. Now we have ended our table row. See, we started here. Okay, we are ending it here. So we are done with this. Now next we have to create another row. So we are creating another row. Okay, so another row will be created Inside that, centro commercial something name is there, that will be inserted here. See, TD will be inserted here, this will be inserted, this will be printed here, okay, to the user interface. Okay, it will be printed there. Then her contract, okay, contact, I mean to say her contact will be Francisco Change. Okay, so this will be inserted in the second column, I guess you are understanding. And Mexico is his nationality, that will be inserted in the last row. So if you want to go further, you can just use of tr and td tag, and with that help you can just create n number of rows and columns in a table. Okay, very simple, in a table. And if once you are done with it, done creating your table, you can just make use of end your table. Okay, see, as soon as we started here, we have to end, right? Every tag which has been started has to be ended in the same manner. In the same manner, table has been started here and it will be ending here. Okay, it is started here and it is ending here. And once the table is created, you can just go make use of a local live server and display it, or you can make use of it. You try it yourself and try to do it. Okay, certain points are written here. Each table is defined by td and a td tag. See here, this is a tag starting. Okay, as I told you, table data, that is written inside that, and td stands for table data, as I have written here. You can see everything between td and slash td are the content of the table cell. What is table cell is nothing but this is a cell. Okay, this is a cell. You can see this is a cell, this is a cell, this is a cell. So that is what that statement means there. So there can be n number of cells. Okay, n number of cells, you can create n number of cells for a single thing. Okay, you can create country, you can write here some more points. Okay, that will be very useful for you. Okay, you can see here these are the different tags what we are using. So table defines a table, you can see there, defines a table. Th defines a header cell in the table. As I told you, you will defining a header cell. Okay, the bolded one. Okay, so tr is nothing but defines a row in a table, as I told you before itself. Td is nothing but data, it will be defining. Caption, yeah, exactly. Before doing any sort of thing, okay, this table you consider, and if you want to write a some caption here, we can make use of caption tag. Very simple, you can make use of caption tag. You can make use of caption tag. So column group is nothing but specifies a group of one or more column in the table or uh, formatting. Okay, column, specify the column property for each column with a column group element. Header, so header is nothing but I'm sorry, thread will be making use, see, group, it will be grouping of, it will group your heads. Okay, header content in the table, in a table. Okay, so t body will group your content in a body, and t footer, that's not footer, foot actually. So t foot will group the content in a table, group of footer content in the table. So I guess you understood, and try to, that's very simple. You have to just make use of this tag, these three tags. Okay, these four, I'm sorry, these four tags, and you can create a basic, very basic a table in a row. Okay, in an HTML, in an HTML. Okay, so I guess you understood what I tried to say. So thank you, thanks a lot. So thanks a lot. Jai Hind.